Let's learn about colors. Red. Red objects. Apple. Tomato. Ladybug. Can you find a red object? What can you draw that is red? Orange. Orange objects. Orange. Pumpkin. Basketball. Can you find an orange object? What can you draw that is orange? Yellow. Yellow objects. Cheese. Lemon. Banana. Can you find a yellow object? What can you draw that is yellow? Green. Green objects. Broccoli. Leaf. Pear. Can you find a green object? What can you draw that is green? Blue. Blue objects. Blueberries. Sapphire. Bluebird. Can you find a blue object? What can you draw that is blue? Purple. Purple objects. Plum. Purple cabbage. Eggplant. Can you find a purple object? What can you draw that is purple? Pink. Pink objects. Rose. Pig. Flamingo. Can you find a pink object? What can you draw that is pink? Brown. Brown objects. Chocolate. Squirrel. Acorn. Can you find a brown object? What can you draw that is brown? White. White objects. Swan. Milk. Dove. Can you find a white object? What can you draw that is white? Black. Black objects. Raven. Panther. Coal. Can you find a black object? What can you draw that is black? Thank you for learning colors with us. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun and educational videos at Tiny Turtles. See you next time.